god, after spending so much time and effort on this particular drawing of Jean from BTS using graphite pencils, I decided to just discontinue the drawing and totally stopped it until several months later. I wonder if I can still, save this drawing because I spent so many hours on this drawing and I don't want it to go to waste just like that. So maybe I can save it. But how? Let me tell you how. And so I decided to get this particular pencil right here. Maybe this can be a lifesaver for these drawings. What is this pencil? This is called Conte Apari Pierre Noir pencil. This is not a charcoal pencil, so I just think maybe it will work with graphite because unlike charcoal pencil, it's very messy to use and very powdery. This one is a little bit very similar to the composition of graphite pencils. So maybe the shiny and the blooming graphite can be toned down significantly by this pencil. And let's try. And now I'm starting with the hair because I noticed that the hair is the one that is super blooming, especially with the light on. And viewing it on another angle, I know all graphite artists who are watching can identify with the problem with graphite. The bloom, the shine of the graphite, sometimes it's very annoying. Even if your drawings are very nice, very realistic, like this one, this is hyper realistic. I love the pores, the skin pores. I spent so many efforts doing the pores and all these details, but suddenly you realize that everything is shining and blooming and doesn't look good. So it's been on the shelf for a while, this drawing, untouched, and now after realizing that maybe, just maybe, this Conte Apari Pierre Noir pencil, dark pencil, super dark actually pencil, a little bit oily, can actually save this drawing. That I love this drawing, but the graphite bloom is so much annoying that I just decided not to continue this drawing. But now I'm just putting with very light pressure, and as you can see, I sharpen it very sharp, this pencil on top of all this graphite. This is pure graphite, so on top of the graphite basically, and then I blend it using this. So again, this is the pencil, and this blender is also very crucial to this technique of saving this drawing. That thing that you saw a while ago, that is what is that? Is a Casimir tool, and then I have the soft makeup brush here just to make sure that the layer of this Conte Apari Pierre Noir will stick above the graphite and reduce significantly, hopefully, I'm not sure yet, significantly the bloom and the shine of the graphite. So I put some. What I can see is I even darken lots of parts of the drawing, which looks really good because the graphite, even if you use like 14B, will not significantly darken the darkest part of the drawing, but this pencil is darkening everything without ruining the graphite. It feels like it's a graphite but very dark, a lot darker. I think 100% darker than the darkest graphite. And if you use it alone, this pencil, it doesn't have any bloom or shine at all. So maybe even if you can still see some shine, but it will not be overwhelmingly shiny and blooming. So that is just the goal here, because it might still bloom, but it's not annoying. It's not extremely blooming or shining. Maybe. So I'm blending it with soft makeup brush right here, and not totally blending, but actually just to harden the texture above the graphite. And look at it, look at this, it's still shining but very less, significantly less than how it's shining a while ago. So it's nice to use.